Welcome to today's property tour. We are in Almazara Hills, a new build complex situated in the carretera Ístan between kilometers 6 and 7. This is a beautiful duplex penthouse with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and these amazing views over the Mediterranean Sea and the Lake of Istán. Join me today to see this beautiful property. This penthouse boosts an open-plan living concept with a nice open kitchen and a beautiful living room. Also with direct access to the terrace, which has amazing sea views. All 3 bedrooms have a 180 by 2 meters bed, and both bathrooms feature a walk-in shower. This is a beautiful master bedroom with very nice sea views over the Mediterranean Sea, which has a lot of wardrobe spaces and additionally features an ensuite bathroom. The 2 other bedrooms share 1 bathroom, which is first one will be here, second one here, and this is the bathroom they both share. This I call a very nice pool with an amazing sea views. Thank you very much for watching today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.